Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus and my Glam Bag Regular for September of 2021. I'm very excited to get into this video. This one is heavy, you guys. It is heavy. There's so much good stuff in here. I do want to disclaim that I messed with my camera settings and I just cannot figure out how to get them back. I have to go through tutorials again, so we're just gonna have to deal with this really odd yellow or something that we got going on. It's so off. I cannot figure it out. So we're gonna have to go through tutorials again like we had to do the last time I messed up my camera. But anyways, if you are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already watching this video, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It will melt my heart, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so regular glam bag this month. Wow, it's so like muted. Okay, first items we got were these sheet masks. So this is Squeeze Green and Psycha Herb, maybe, if that's how you pronounce that. So we got some sheet masks, which are really exciting. And I forgot to mention, because I'm trying to get my unboxings done back to back really quick. This is back to school, IPSY back to work school life, so I guess that's why we have the share clueless vibes with the bags this month. So that's pretty cool. Also, these are my IPSY Open Studio bags, so I just wanted to disclaim that, which I have noticed now that we're getting like an array of products, so we don't all have the exact same products anymore, so it really is a mystery now. So yeah, very first item in here I'm very excited about. This is the Tatcha soft cream cleanser. Very, very excited about this. I hope it smells good. I mean, I'm sure it does. Oh yeah, it smells really good. Very excited about that. And then we have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, one mascara that I've always wanted to try. Let's check out this wand, shall we? Here is the packaging. Excuse the nails. And here we go. This is going to be perfect for your lower lashes. Very excited about that. Okie dokie. Then we have a lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Dead Roses. I almost feel like I have this shade in this exact same color, same everything from a subscription. This is what the shade looks like. I don't know, it kind of looks accurate on the screen. I have this one, I know I do. I don't know, I'll find it one day. And then the last thing I got is from Perfect Shine, the Clarifying Scalp Scrub Exfoliant. That is exciting. I need to scrub my scalp. Let's see, what does this smell like? Oh, it has a very strange texture. It's like those like foam things that you can do, that you can get at like Michael's. It smells really good. Okay, so that will be a fun item to use. Let me make sure I put that in correctly. Okay, now on to my IPSY Plus, which is huge and exciting. Okay, so first thing I want to pull out is something I'm most excited for. This is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This seems fan-freaking-tastic, if I do say so myself. I mean, like, come on. This packaging, first off, is legit next level. First off, if we would have gotten this in BoxyCharm or something, we wouldn't have gotten the packaging. We would have just gotten the bottle in bubble wrap. So that was great for that whole experience. Let's see what it smells like. Smells lemony, which is actually pretty good. Very excited about this. Then we got something else that's big from the brand Up Circle. It's a face scrub made with repurposed coffee grounds, the Gommage Visage Citrus Blend. So it's just a face scrub for dry and dehydrated skin. And then we have it in this, like, you know, tin metal this kind of container, which is probably not going to be my favorite in the shower if I do say so myself, but I like the packaging color. God, this lighting on my... Oh, I can't smell it unless I break it, so I'm not going to break the seal yet until I'm ready to use it. Let's see here. Oh, this is from Uma Beauty, the Aphrodisiac Cleopatra Ink Liquid Liner. Blacker than black, y'all. I think this is liquid. This is something that I said I wanted to try. I don't think I've ever had anything from this brand. And the wand, the little thingy-mabobber is very fine. Oh yeah. Very fine. Gonna be great for doing wings. Like, that's a fine tip, girl. Fine tip. And then we have a clay mask from Nina. This is the Detox and Tighten. Yes, we want to tighten this face, so we shall be using this very soon. Packaging. Let's give it a whiff. Oh wait, we gotta do this little number, and then we can get a whiff. Oh yeah, this is the definition of like early 2000s like face mask. This is some green stuff. It doesn't really have a scent. I don't really smell anything, so that could be good for anyone who doesn't like scents. And then we have one last item in our bag, and this is from Il Makiage, the Color Boss Squad palette. This is in the Real Deal, and I think I remember what this looked like. I'm not sure. Il Makiage's packaging is like legit next level. Like, this is heavy. You could throw it at somebody and knock them out. It has Il Makiage right here, here, packaging back there, and it just... Oh yeah, these are actually really pretty. This is like the perfect fall palette right here. Let me just swatch these on the back of my hand. And I feel like it's going to be very pigment. Oh, yeah. Much pigment. Okay. Very creamy. Okay, here are the shades. And the mattes are extremely creamy. I almost don't even know if I've ever felt a matte feel like this before. Like, it feels like legit next level, like luxury. So I'm very excited about that. I guess that's everything this month, other than I did not mention that there's a change in price. So IPSY regular glam bags are now going to be $12, I believe, a month, or $13. I'll have it down below. And then these babies are going up to $28, which is insane. That's a $3 upcharge, and I know people are really upset about it, and I would be too. But let's just give IPSY a chance, and maybe they'll give us some like out of this world products. And yeah, I know a lot of people are canceling because they're not into this price hike, but if they turn out being really good, I think that might be, you know, a big thumbs up for them. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting me always. Thank you, IPSY, for sending this to me, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!